Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're using a secured credit card and wondering how long it really takes to rebuild your credit, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because I'll tell you the real timeline most people aren't told. Let's get this clear right away. Rebuilding credit with a secured card is not instant. It's a process, and timing depends on how you use the card. In the first 30 days, you usually won't see much change. This is when your card first reports to the credit bureaus. No big jump yet, and that's normal. Around 2 to 3 months, small improvements can start to appear. This happens if you're making on-time payments and keeping your balance low. Even a few points means things are moving in the right direction. At 3 to 6 months, most people see more noticeable progress. Your payment history is building, and your account looks more stable to lenders. This is often when confidence starts to come back. Between 6 and 12 months, real rebuilding happens. Many people qualified to upgrade to an unsecured card during this time. Your score may improve significantly if you stayed consistent. Now here's what can slow everything down. High balances, missed payments, or old negative accounts can delay progress. One mistake can add months to the timeline. And here's the key most people miss. Using less than 30% of your limit and paying on time every month matters more than the deposit amount. If you want credit rebuilding to work faster, consistency beats everything. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to the channel for clear, simple credit advice that actually works. I'll see you in the next video.